How to make money online for free in 2022 by sharing links on social media. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and in the next 2 minutes, I want to show you exactly how you can start making money online by sharing links on social media. This has made me thousands of dollars in the past few months, and if you can follow a few simple instructions, I'm pretty sure it can do the same for you. Like I said, this is completely free, so the first thing you want to do is click the link right down below this video that says howtorank.com/links. It's going to bring you to this page here, and then all you need to do is scroll down to the button that says make money sharing links. Go ahead and click that button, and it's going to pop up this page here where there's a quick video that explains how all this works, but really all you need to do is scroll down and put your information in this box. Put your email, set a password, and you're good to go. You're ready to start sharing links and making money online. So after you do that, then your box is going to look like this. You're going to be able to access your links right here on this button that says links. There's a handful to choose from. But the cool thing I want to point out here is if you come back here to promo tools, there's everything you need to start making money by sharing these links. There's email swipes, there's blog reviews, articles, banner ads, thank you page ads, and even pre-made social media posts that all you have to do is click this share on Facebook button, or you can come here to Twitter or LinkedIn, click share on LinkedIn, and boom, it's going to share the post with your affiliate link already built in so that when your followers buy these products, you start earning a commission. Like I said, this has made me thousands of dollars in the past few months, and if you can follow a few simple instructions and you have an email address, I'm guessing this can work for you too. So if you're looking for more tips about how to make money online in 2022, make sure you smash the bright red subscribe button down below. And if you want the tips right away, make sure you hit the bell so that you're notified. And other than that, I hope you give me a thumbs up on this video if you like making money online. And other than that, I will catch you on the next one. Take it easy, everybody.